So in today's video, I want to show you the step-by-step process to create your avatar for your Faceless channel using OMNI Flash. But before we start, please like this video and subscribe. I'm walking through my modern home, testing Gemini on my phone, and honestly, this AI is impressive. It helps me create, search, understand, and get things done faster. Let's go!
Okay, so you love everything, right? My voice, my face, and I want to show you that in this video using OMNI Flash, the top model, for free, and how to keep using this platform to generate more and more. So guys, let's go.
Okay, so the first place we are going to head over to is your Pinterest. The moment you are here on Pinterest, okay, you're going to go ahead and search for podcast studio, any one of your choice. So for me, I think this first one sits well with me. So I'm going to go ahead and hit download. Once you download this, it's going to be in your mobile phone. So click this. So if you're using your PC, it's still the same process. So just follow this exact step. All right, so we've gotten our picture, the picture we are going to use in this video. So the next place you're going to head over to is to go ahead and use ChatGPT to transform that picture. Now, watch what I'm going to do now. You're going to come here to ChatGPT and upload that exact picture. Click that plus sign and click this photo. Bring in that exact picture that we downloaded from Pinterest. Upload it here. Now, what are you going to write here? We are removing the character in this picture, okay? We want only the space. We don't want the picture, the person to remain there. Okay, so once you do that, ChatGPT will remove that character and allow only the space. That is where you are going to sit. Okay, so let's proceed. Beautiful. Now take a look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. But there is one down part. It is not giving me in 16:9. That is my aspect ratio. If you want it 9:16, that is portrait, you can still resize it. So I'm going to look down. You're going to see resize. Click on this resize. So all of this is for you to utilize. Select the exact aspect ratio you want to use. Landscape, portrait, story, any one of your choice. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go with the white screen. That is 16:9 and select it automatically. ChatGPT will regenerate the picture again. Right. You can see now it has changed the aspect ratio. So at this point, I'll go ahead and click this download button and download this. But then this is what we are going to write. We need the exact prompt for this so that we can use it moving forward. Okay, so I'm going to ask to give me the exact prompt for this space or picture or image, anyone you want to use. Go ahead and hit send. Go ahead and use this shorter version because that's giving me the long version and the shorter version. So let me use this one. So copy this, right? Now let's head over to the next platform. Now we're going to use our Chrome browser in this case. Okay, we want to take our avatar. Yes, we want to create our avatar. There are two ways to do this. I'm going to show you the two ways to do this. So the one that is easier for you, go ahead and use it. The first one is for you to open your Gemini AI. The first is for you to open your Gemini platform. Okay, now you can see here, this is Gemini. Now this is what you're going to do. Click these three dots you have here and you're going to see all of these desktop site. Make sure it is a desktop site. Okay, so if it is not, please change it to desktop site so that we can see the full detail of what we are trying to do. So make sure you select the specific email, okay, that you want to use. Okay, now go ahead and click where you have this your profile picture. Either you click it from here where you have this your profile picture, go down, you're going to see avatar, or when you click this plus sign, you're going to see avatar. Look at avatar here. So any of this method, it's still going to give you the exact same result. So this is method 1. This is what you are to read. Read it, understand it, and then click agree. For me, I want to proceed. Now, this part is very crucial. It's going to capture your selfie, right? And use it because you want to train this particular app, like to store your image. So wherever you want to use your avatar, it doesn't have to start from scratch again. So just follow a simple step that is going to be placed on your screen. All right, so the part that won't be captured in this video is for security purpose, but the other part you see it. Okay, so I go ahead and get started. Now I say create your avatar using your mobile device. If you have another phone, right, you can use it to do this process. Or if you're using your PC, once this QR code comes up, use your mobile phone and scan it. Okay, and then you get started from this. Once you click this plus button, right, you want to see more uploads, right? Click on this. You want to see avatar, click on it. All right, so we are going to go ahead and try now, right? So I'm going to use my phone and continue from here. So I'm going to scan this. So make sure you are also scanning yours. Like I said, if you are using two phones, good for you. Okay, so I'm going to, once you scan and everything is centralized, just click on that search button that is there and it will start loading up immediately. Now you can see here it has captured, it's loading because I want to take my selfie. Okay, so we can now get back to our mobile phone. Okay, so you're going to see this, right? So go ahead and agree and then it will load up where you have to snap yourself. Okay, so you watch what I'm going to do and do it alongside. This part is very important. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so if you've not allowed your camera, make sure you allowed your camera. Okay, so those numbers will be popping up. As it's popping up, we are calling the numbers accordingly, and your voice have to be very loud so that the AI can capture your exact voice to use. So once you are done with that short test, okay, it's going to take you a while. You need to be in a place that there is no noise, quiet, well lighted, and then you carry on with the entire process. Once you capture that, it's going to upload just like it is uploading now. Okay, so for you to see that your avatar is here, let me show you how you find it. Click this plus button. Once you click this plus button, you are going to see, look at here, your avatar is here. So if you want to use this picture now and create anything at all, you can literally click on this and then paste your prompt, what you want your avatar to say and the clothes you want your avatar to wear and where you want your avatar to be in. So I prepared this detailed prompt for you. Okay, what you need to do is those ones in bracket, just replace what you need to replace. Okay, and then copy it. Remember, you already have your description from ChatGPT, like how you want to describe the place, like the one we did right in this video. Go ahead and create video. Let's select video, right? I'm going to go ahead and add avatar. You can see that I select the video and I added my avatar. Now I'm going to go ahead and paste the prompt I copied. Okay, so this prompt, you are going to take your time, edit the prompt. Where you have the bracket, remove the bracket, what is inside, and paste the description of your environment, your setup, whatever description it is that you have. We already have our own from ChatGPT. So I copied everything and I pasted I paste what we copy from ChatGPT because we used a particular image. All right, then just read through the prompt. I want to see where you're going to impute your dialogue, what you have to say, where you have to remove and include what you have to wear, the clothes you have to wear. If you are wearing anything, just describe it. Everything is detailed in the prompt. Okay, so get the prompt from the description and go through it, remove what you need to remove and insert what you need to insert, and then use it. Now after that, select. Okay, so once everything is done, right, you just look down, you want to see your aspect ratio, select it and then hit generate. Let's wait for the result. Okay, this is absolutely beautiful because our video is ready and we're going to watch and see the final output. And guys, this is absolutely beautiful. Okay, it gives me up to 10 seconds. Now the good thing about this platform is that it's literally free, no credits. Just sign in and follow this step and get it done. But it gives you access to 10 videos every week. If you're cool with this, hit this download button and download it to your mobile phone. Then copy this prompt. Let's head over to Google Flow AI. That is where we are going to use our avatar, and that is the second method. Here is the link. Click on it. You'll be landed on this interface. Okay, start with that new project. But first, take a look at this. Open your profile picture. You want to see where we have avatar. Okay, you want to see 50 credits. Okay, free 50 credit. And the first time you are signing up as a first user, you'll be given 100 free credits plus 50 daily credits, making it 150 credits. So you have a lot of credits to use and create your avatar. So once you click that avatar, you're going to see your face. The face you took is going to pop up like that. Okay, that is incredibly insane, guys. So now it is time for us. Make sure it is the same email you used. Okay, because if it's a different email, you won't find it there. All right, so now let's add over our avatar to the prompt. Once you click that plus button, your avatar will pop up. Add it to prompt, and the prompt you used in Gemini, go ahead and paste that prompt here. right, edit what you need to edit, then switch to video. Make sure it is changed to video, because that is what you're going to generate, video. Then allow it to be on one variation so I will not waste credit. We are going to use OMNI Flash, right? So once that is done, set your aspect ratio, and I mean, if possible, you can upload that background that you want to use. So in case the AI is missing something, you can use that as a guide. Okay, all right. So I just added it just for reference purpose. So now see the result. It came out perfectly well. Guys, take a look at this and let me know what are your thoughts on this. And then you can add it up to your timeline and add another scene if you have multiple scene, right? And keep adding till you have a complete until you have your complete video. And the good thing is that Google Flow gives us the access to remove watermarks. So once you clear out your profile picture, you're going to see where you have to turn off your watermark or you turn it on. So you need to turn it off so that when you're generating it will come out without a watermark. So I hope this video was helpful. Hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates. All right, guys. So see you in the next one.